Good day, Doc Mel and classmates. Today, I will be discussing part 6 of Module 6, where we will understand the composition and requisite expertise of the course design and development team in distance education. This report is based on foundational works by Moore and Kersley, 2011, Westergaard's module, and supporting academic literature. Before we proceed with our discussion, here are the learning objectives of Module 6. Number 1, define the terms design and development in relation to the ADDIE model of creating instructional materials. 2, describe characteristics of self-instructional materials in various media. 3, discuss ways by which learning experiences are created. Number 4, explain the composition and requisite expertise of the course design and development team. In number 5, summarize the conditions in the education or training institution that can encourage the process of course design and development. Part 6 of Module 6 will focus on the fourth learning objective. We will describe who makes up a course development team in distance education and the specific skills or expertise they must bring to ensure the delivery of high quality learning experiences. Distance education is more than just sharing content, it's a full system. It combines people, technology, processes, and teaching methods. According to Moore and Kersley 2011, course design is a key part of this system. It's just not about creating materials, but about building a complete, engaging, and accessible learning experience. For a course to work well, all parts design, media, technology assessment, and support must work together. If one part fails, the learning can suffer. A successful course is not made by one person alone, it's the result of teamwork with instructional designers, subject matter experts, the media specialist, and tech staff all playing important roles. Together, they create student centered courses that keep learners engaged, supported, and connected even from a distance. The course team typically includes several specialists. I have here instructional designer, subject matter expert or SME, media specialist, technology support. We also have the assessment specialist, editor or copywriter, and the project manager. They all play unique roles, and we will be looking at these key players and their required expertise in the next slide. In a well designed distance education course, multiple professionals contribute their expertise to ensure a high quality learning experience. We have here the subject matter experts or SMEs. They make sure the content is accurate, up to date, and fits the course goals. They also bring expert knowledge of the subject. Next is the instructional designer, which plans how students will learn. They organize the course, choose teaching methods, and mix content with technology to make learning effective. The media specialists, they add visuals, videos, audio, and interactive elements to make lessons more engaging and easier to understand. Next, technology support staff, they keep online platforms running smoothly. They help fix technical problems for both students and teachers. We also have here assessment experts or specialists who create and review tests, quizzes, and activities to check if the students are meeting the learning goals. We also have the editors and quality reviewers who checks grammar, tone, and formatting. They also make sure content is clear, fair, and free from errors. The last one here in the list is the project manager who handles schedules and team communication. They keep everything on track and ensure deadlines are met. Together, these professionals they create seamless, effective, and engaging distance learning experience, ensuring that students, regardless of location, will receive quality education and support. In her module, Westergaard 2022 presents the Quality Circle, a model that views course design as a continuous cyclical process, not a one time effort. It involves three key stages. We have the development, review, and improvement. repeated throughout the course's life. During the development phase, the course is planned and created based on sound teaching methods, clear goals, and students' need. After it's launched, the review phase gathers feedback from students, performance data, and peer input to check if the course is effective. Next comes the improvement phase, where changes are made to enhance the content, assessments, or the delivery methods based on the feedback that was received. This process is collaborative and ongoing, involving designers, instructors, students, and support staff. The quality circle encourages regular reflection and updates to keep the course relevant, effective, and responsive to change. In short, it fosters a culture of continuous, that's why it's called quality circle, quality improvement in distance education. Now, according to Locke 2007, successful online course development goes beyond technical skills and content knowledge. It depends on the open communication, trust, and shared responsibility among team members. Everyone must be honest about their ideas and challenges to stay aligned with the course goals. Trust is important so that the members can rely on each other's expertise and respect each role, whether as a designer, subject matter expert, media creator, or project manager. With this or with trust, teamwork becomes smoother and more creative. Lack also stresses shared responsibility. Here, everyone is accountable for the course's success, not just their individual task. Finally, he highlights the need for lifelong learning. As technology and teaching methods change, team members must keep learning and keep adapting to stay effective. Overall, Locke encourages a team culture based on collaboration, growth, and support, essential for creating high quality online education. Now, let's discuss the challenges and considerations. Even with good teamwork, challenges in designing distance education courses still happen. Team often work under tight deadlines, which can limit time for proper planning and review. Lack of support from institutions can also slow down progress and affect course quality, like limited funding, or unclear policies. Another challenge is the fast changing technology. New tools and platforms appear often, and teams must quickly learn how to use them effectively. Now, to handle these issues, ongoing training is important. Team members need to stay updated on the latest tools and teaching methods. Supportive leadership also plays a big role by providing guidance to the team, encouraging collaboration, and providing the resources needed. With strong support and continuous learning, teams can overcome these challenges and build effective, high quality distance learning experiences. Now, let's discuss real world applications. Many schools and institutions here in the Philippines and around the world use collaborative course design to improve distance learning. In the Philippines, agencies like the Commission on Higher Education and DepEd, or the Department of Education, support team-based efforts to develop flexible and engaging online courses that meet curriculum standards and address the needs of Filipino students. Globally, platforms like Coursera or edX, we also have the Future Learn, also use teams of experts such as an instructional designer, subject specialist, or the SME, and media creators to build quality online courses for a wider audience. Research shows that when courses are designed by diverse teams, students are more engaged and more likely to finish the course. Clear instructions, interactive content, helpful feedback, and good assessments all also contribute to a better learning experience. Overall, using a team based approach is a proven way to make distance education more effective and impactful, both locally and globally. To wrap up, designing a distance education course takes a team effort. Each member, whether a subject matter expert, we also have instructional designer, media creator, tech support, or assessment specialist, they all play an important role. Together, this team ensures that the course is accurate, engaging, and student focused. Collaboration is also key. We also have open communication, trust, and shared responsibility. They all help the team resolve problems and improve the course. Using the quality assurance models like the one we discussed from Westergaard's 2022, Quality Circle also helps keep the course up to date and effective by encouraging regular review and improvement. In the end, the goal is to create meaningful learning experiences that help students succeed wherever they are. With teamwork and continuous improvement, distance education can stay relevant, inclusive, and impactful. Here are the references used for today's presentation. Thank you, and I encourage everyone to take a moment to reflect on and respond to the two questions posted in our discussion forum. I look forward to a meaningful and insightful conversation with all of you.